Hello dear students, this is question number 5 of exercise 11.2 constructions. So first we will see what are we supposed to construct in this question. So how should we proceed doing the construction? So let us start. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. It is clear from the question that first you need to draw a line segment of length AB of length 8 cm. Next, take A as a center and draw a circle of radius 4 cm. So this is taking A as center. We will draw a circle of radius 4 cm. Children, this is 8 cm line, so 4 cm will be approximately half of it. So you will be drawing a circle. Next, taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3. So another we are taking B as center and we'll draw a circle of radius 3 cm. So this is the first step we are doing. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of other circle. So this is the thing we need to understand. What are we doing? Construct tangents to each circle. Now suppose I see this is the circle. I take this circle. So on this circle we have to draw tangents from point B, and on this circle with B as center I have to draw tangents from point A. So this we have to do, means you just understand. If I draw it with other, this is one circle, this is one circle. On this I am drawing the tangents from point B. This is one part. Now consider this is your another circle, and on this you will be drawing tangents from point A. So this is not going to be very difficult. Simple steps as you draw. First we all need to do is draw a line segment of length. I call this line as AB. Taking A as center, we will draw a circle of 4 cm, and B as center will draw a circle of 3 cm. Now, next is from point A, we need to draw tangents on this circle, and from point B we need to draw tangents on this point. Children, what are we supposed to do then? Suppose you have a circle. What is the step for construction for a tangent? You have a circle and you have a point outside. Then what do? You join these two. Then you draw the perpendicular bisector, and taking this as radius you draw another circle, isn't it? And where it cuts these 2 points you join here. This is the way we construct the tangent. Same here. So this is the line. You just consider this is the external point for this circle, and for this circle A is the external point. So any case you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. So next will be drawing a perpendicular bisector. This point I call it as M. Now taking AM as radius, or MB, since it is a perpendicular bisector, it is going to remain the same. So I will construct a circle which will cut the two circles. Now this point I called P, this I call Q. So if I join these two, this will be the tangents from point center of this circle to the bigger circle. This point I name it as R, and this I name it as S. From this center you need to join. So children, PB, QB, AR and AS are the required tangents.